It's someone else's story. I don't see myself as taking part at all. Yesterday, a girl that I was fond of finally could see the writing on the walls. Your eyes, the children are asleep. The night will surely keep, my queen. Close your eyes to tides that run too deep. I know sometimes you weep on sea of never dies. Once it is in you, love will everything. Love leads on. Earth may be fleeting. To see the light now, just don't let it go. Things will come out right now. That's the best I know. Fly with me, my meadowlark. Fly with me on the silver morning. Past the sea where the dolphins bark. We will dance on the coral beaches, make a feast of the plums and peaches, just as far as your vision reaches. Fly with me. I'm so sorry that I broke your heart. Please don't leave my side. Take me home, you silly boy, 'cause I'm still